So today I want to talk just for a few minutes about beneficiary designations. Most of us have assets sometime in our life where we can list a beneficiary. Things that have beneficiaries would include life insurance, IRAs, 401ks, pretty much all retirement plans. So that life insurance company or that IRA or retirement plan company usually will ask, who do you want to get this if you die? And when you die. Usually that IRA company or life insurance company will ask, who do you want to get this asset at your death? So what you do is you list with that company a beneficiary. And generally we suggest that you list a primary beneficiary. That is, if that person or people, if they're all alive, they will receive it when you die. And if they're gone, if it's one person for instance, you can name a contingent beneficiary. And we usually suggest that you have contingent beneficiaries listed as well. Those beneficiary designations with the life insurance company or with the retirement plan company are going to take precedent over anything that your will or your trust says. So they should really be coordinated with your estate plan, but you need to remember that whoever you name as the beneficiary that's who's going to get the asset. So it's important to review them with your financial people on occasion. I'd say every year or so you might want to review and make sure that they have those in their system. As to what is best to have as your beneficiary, it is impossible for me to say in general. There is no in general. So with each of our clients, we go through and make sure that we coordinate their beneficiaries with the plan that was set up. People will often email and say, well, just in general, what should it be? And I cannot answer that question. So you want to make sure that you've reviewed them, you know who they are set up correctly with each financial institution, and then what they should be is really unique to each person and what their goal is and what they're trying to do. So they're a very powerful tool. They should be reviewed and used as part of an estate plan. And remember, those beneficiary designations take precedent over what your will or your trust says. I can say in general it's not a great idea to list your estate as a beneficiary on life insurance or on a retirement plan. For life insurance, it can then make the beneficiary it can then make the life insurance money subject to your creditors if you have debt when you die, if you name your estate. For a retirement plan, there are income tax implications of naming your estate as a beneficiary of your retirement plan. So generally that isn't a good idea, but again, as to the specifics of who it should be, we'd have to go through that with each client, and you should talk to your estate planning attorney or your financial planner if you have one, and make sure that that is all coordinated. That's how beneficiary designations work.